to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening.
Hey guys, welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. Hope everyone is doing well and I hope your weekend is off to an amazing start. So guys, my previous video I shared a few Pottery Barn CB2 sort of dupes that I purchased at Winners for a fraction of the cost. And this was one of them. This one originally is $24.99 and I paid $15. And it's not in my color. So if you see beautiful vessels or decor items that you really love and it's not in the color palette or color shade like black and white, purchase it, guys. You can always spray paint it. You can always use chalk paint to get the desired color you like or shade that you like. You can add texture to it with the spackle. You can add texture to it with baking soda by mixing the baking soda in the paint color of your choice. You can also use this as well to, you know, add some texture to it. You can use like, you know, the sponges that have like the bristly part, you know, the sponges that you buy in the dollar stores. They have like the yellow spongy part and then that green scrubby part. You can use, or you can get like really, you can get sandpaper as well and gently sand that vessel to get the desired texture that you like. Once you add like your, like I said, your paint color or shade of your choice along with some spackling or the other item that I shared with you. I got this from Amazon and I also got that other one from Amazon as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some chalk paint. I got these from Amazon. They are by Folk Art Home Decor and they are a sheepskin white chalk paint. I have two of them and I know I don't have enough. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use a little bit of this. This is actually pink, but it dries white. So that'll give me that white texture that I'm looking for. And the mixture of the white texture from this, once it's dried, along with this chalk paint will give me a really nice mixture of a sort of white creamy undertone. I could spray paint it, but I don't want to. The spray paint kind of makes me a bit high. And I don't feel like going outside to do all of that. So I'm going to see what I can achieve with just the spackling and the coverage that it'll give me, because a little of this goes a really long way. And then we are going to add some greenery to this. We're going to refresh my entryway table with this. And the cute little hand decor that I purchased as well from Winners, the original price, I actually took off the red clearance sticker tag off of it. It was actually $12.99 and not $19.99. I ended up getting this for $8. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually spray paint this white using, I think I either got this from Canadian Tire or probably Walmart. No, I got this from Canadian Tire. This is a Canadian Tire brand. So this is by Premier and it's paint and primer. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is white. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint that outside. And then I'll come back and show you guys what this looks like in the styling. But I'm going to be sharing how I achieve the desired look and texture with the items that I just shared with you here for this vessel. But the spray paint of this I won't be doing on camera, okay? Because spray paint, you don't really need to see me spray paint. Anyone can spray paint. It's not anything fancy. But I really want to share this particular DIY with you guys, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloves on, because I don't have an actual tool that I can use to add this spackle. But just to protect my fingers from all of the from this getting on my fingers and getting in my nails. I'm going to put my gloves on and we are going to go ahead. I'm going to actually clean this off a little bit and then we're going to go ahead and add the spackling. And like I said, this is pink, but it dries white. guys, it's actually the next day and I've gotten my desired texture. I've covered most of the brown on this vessel. I'm probably going to spray paint inside to get rid of the brownness maybe, but once I put some greenery in here, you're not even going to see this because I did add some of the spackle on the top part. So I'm going to damp this a bit, and I'm going to use this green part to just add a little bit more softness and get my desired texture. I allowed this to dry overnight, so it's nice and dry. I don't think I need to add another coat. So like I said, I'm going to damp this sponge, and I'm going to get rid of all of the extra like hard surfaces and the pieces that are sticking out. And then we're going to go ahead and use the chalk paint to cover it in, or I may decide to spray paint it. I'm not really sure, but we'll see how it goes. Or I can probably spray paint and use the chalk paint to get a different type of finish on it. But we'll see. But this is how it turned out, guys. And I love it. So let's go ahead and finish it off, and we're gonna go ahead and also do a little refresh and styling on the entryway table. Okay, guys? So guys, this is how my entryway looks at the moment, and this is how I styled it for my winter reset and refresh for 2024. Everything is pretty much still the same. So we're just gonna go ahead and bring in a little bit of spring and bring in some warm and cozy vibes. It's still winter, but I just want to make a few little inexpensive changes using my CB2 sort of Pottery Barn dupes that I found at Winners to just change things up just a tad bit here. Okay, so yeah, this is what it currently looks like here. So after one coat of the chalk paint, the sheepskin chalk paint that I got from Amazon, this is how it's looking. It's giving it that really nice age Pottery Barn CB2 look, sort of like the black vessel that I have on my dining room table. The white one is similar to this, but it's a little bit more smoother. So what I think I'm gonna do is probably spray paint it a bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and smoothen it out again using this sponge. But I love how it looks, guys. guys, this is how my refreshed entryway has turned out, and I really love it, guys. It's giving me a traveled, high-end, beautiful spring sort of look, which I am loving. And I just love how my vessel turned out. I ended up taking it outside, guys, and I gave it a coat of the white spray paint, and I also went ahead and used the sponge and I sanded it down a little bit again, just to get a really more smoother type of texture to it, as well as to get rid of the extra lumps and clumps that came from the spackling. And then I also added this cute one. I purchased 2 of these a few weeks ago from Winners, and it's similar to this one with the 2 handles at the side, and I love how paired together they look. This one is more of a bright white though, and this one is more creamy, a creamy white, but they look really nice together. Gives a lot more interest, and I just love how the entryway turned out. It looks really nice. I kept my lamps. I kept the storage box that I added here in the previous refresh that I did for the winter. And then these are the same coffee table books, so I didn't change out these. I just added this, and I kept my cute candlesticks and the white candles, Dollarama, and these are from Amazon. My lamps are from HomeSense, and this cute little mirror I've had for like over 10 years. I got that from HomeSense. And my entryway table came from Amazon. And then inside of my CB2 Pottery Barn dupe that I created, never knock. Remember I said to you guys, if you see a vase or a decor piece that you love and it's not in your desired shade or color, purchase it. You can always spray paint it. You can always paint it with chalk paint, or you can use regular paint. And look how beautiful it turned out. So I added some Norfolk pine greenery that I got from Temu, and these are just some greenery I had in my stash that I got from Dollarama a few years ago, and it looks so pretty, guys. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoy these types of video, definitely subscribe to Glam Designs by Anne. Also, double tap your post notification bell, guys. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Have a beautiful weekend, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak.